Ever wondered, how do I get my money out of Coinbase? Hey everyone! Have you ever dipped your toes into the world of cryptocurrency? Maybe you bought some Bitcoin because your friend swore it was the future of finance, or perhaps you dabbled in Dogecoin because, well, who can resist a meme with a purpose? Whatever your reason, you might be at the point where you're thinking, alright, this crypto thing is cool, but how do I actually get my hands on that money? Fear not, fellow cryptocurrency adventurer. Because today's video is all about that burning question, how to withdraw your funds from Coinbase, one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges out there. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's just take a quick step back. Remember, cryptocurrency is a whole new ball game compared to traditional stocks or bonds. It's a volatile market, and its value can fluctuate wildly. So, the golden rule here is, only invest what you can afford to lose. That disclaimer out of the way, let's get down to brass tacks. There are actually two main ways you can get your money out of Coinbase, withdrawing it to your bank account or sending it to another crypto wallet. Option 1, withdrawing to your bank account. This is probably the most common scenario. Maybe you want to use your crypto gains to buy that new gadget you've been eyeing, or perhaps you just want to have some good old-fashioned cash in your pocket. Here's how to make it happen. Step 1, log into your Coinbase account. This one's a no-brainer, but hey, gotta start somewhere. Step 2, find the sell or cash out option. Coinbase loves to tinker with its interface, so the exact wording might change slightly. But don't worry, it'll be something that clearly indicates you're moving crypto to fiat currency, fancy talk for regular money. Step 3, choose the cryptocurrency you want to sell. Now's your moment to pick which of your crypto holdings you want to convert to cash. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, the choice is yours. Step 4, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Be mindful of any minimum withdrawal limits Coinbase might have. Step 5, select your withdrawal method. This is where you choose where you want your money to go. In our case, we're picking bank account. Step 6, review the fees. Coinbase charges a small fee for withdrawals, so make sure you're comfortable with the amount before proceeding. Step 7, confirm the withdrawal. Double-check everything, then hit that glorious confirm button and watch your crypto magically morph into spendable cash. Now, the waiting game begins. Depending on your bank and Coinbase processing times, it might take a few days for the money to hit your account. But fret not, patience is a virtue, especially in the crypto world. Option 2, sending to another crypto wallet. Maybe you're not quite ready to cash out completely. Perhaps you're a hardcore crypto believer and want to transfer your funds to a different crypto wallet for safekeeping or further trading. Here's how to do it. Step 1, log into your Coinbase account. Consistency is key. Step 2, find the send or transfer option. This is where you'll initiate the crypto transfer. Step 3, choose the cryptocurrency you want to send. Just like before, pick your digital coin of choice. Step 4, enter the amount you want to transfer. Again, keep an eye out for any minimum transfer limits. Step 5, enter the recipient's wallet address. This is a unique string of characters that identifies the other crypto wallet. Be super careful here, because sending crypto to the wrong address is like throwing money into a black hole, it's gone forever. Double check, triple check, then quadruple check. Step 6, review the fees. There might be network fees associated with sending crypto, depending on the specific coin. Step 7, confirm the transfer. Once everything looks good, hit that confirm button and watch your crypto journey to its new home. Remember, transferring crypto is irreversible. Once it's out of Coinbase, it's out of their hands, and yours, if you send it to the wrong address. Bonus tip, security first. Before you embark on any crypto withdrawals or transfers, make sure your Coinbase account is properly secured. Enable two-factor authentication and use strong, unique passwords.